All right. Everybody about to go live on Stocks to Watch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we are up and live. There we go. Hello, YouTube. We're back on the TikTok as well. And let's talk about it. Let's do this. All right. First up, what we usually do. I'm checking the stream real quick, as we usually do. All right. Insider calls. This one's really easy, guy. I've gone through. There wasn't a lot actually. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like maybe 10. Right, 10. So one a lot to pick from. I did like one of the more interesting ones was the last one, Party City. So we'll get that in a second. But check this out. The same insider sized up on Cardalytics. Excuse me. He put 4.4 million into that one, 1% position. A larger 3% position on Party City, 3.9. But it's the same dude, right? So if you click on this guy, right? Like, what is this guy? So this is what look at all the stuff that he's been buying. Like, and this is just right here. So just this year, 2022, he's already had 5 huge buys in Linux and PRTY, right? But look, last year, he must own a lot of this stuff too. Home, he owns World. Gotta look this little cat up. So anyway, going back, Party City, he purchased 600,000 shares at right at 4 million, a 3% larger. We'd like to see that about 5% at least. But here's Party City's chart. Not great, but not the worst. Again, based out at 492. You can see right there at the 550 mark where it is right there. And it just kind of hung out there for a while and boom. Kind of does a little bit of a breakout, but I'd like to see it really over and stay over that 619. Also, you've got, so for Monday, here's the deal. It looks like it might be in a downtrend. I can go closer, but look at that 50-day, right? At 50-day, it breached it. That's the problem, okay? So it's at 630, 639. Before I'm trading this, guys, it's got to get above that 645, right? Because it's just going to bounce off of that. So do not trade this unless it's 645 or above, right? I really wouldn't trade it unless it's a green day. If you want to clear something, it might be that 669 level. But if we go back to here, understand if you get to that 669 level, there is some, it should run to 7. So if it goes to 670-ish, it will run to 7. Going back on the 30-minute, you just see it here. It's all stacked, right? I mean, there's a lot of last 3 days supply sitting right there. But again, do not trade this unless you're above 646. All right, I'm going to give you some other, these are stocks that have done very, very well this year so far. This is year to date, so we just literally have like a week, right? But clearly we know about Ford, but it's really the financials and the energy stocks that are really, really doing well. But Viacom, look out for Viacom too. It's up 17% already. Discovery's up 27%. Okay. I think that's really the only thing that Kathy Wood could hold on to. I know she owns Discovery. She's got a bag of it, right? So Hess is up there, 17%. Schlumberger, 17%. Regions, M&T, Citizens, and Peoples, they're all at 14, 15, 16%. Those are all regional banks. The regional bank ETF, you might want to look at is KRE. The big bank is KBE. So you might look at those. Those are all doing very, very well. You can see that. I mean, it's literally Devon's doing well. Comerica, Exxon's doing. Exxon's up 12% this year. Diamondback, Fang up 13%. All right, so that's the S&P. Let's go to. You ready for this? NASDAQ. It looks shitty. Let me just tell you now, right? Top group, Lucid, up 10%. From there, it's It's Kraft Heinz, Intel, Walgreens is up 3%. It gets bad quickly, guys. Marriott's up 1%. Vertex is up 1%. Again, these are showing strong right now. They're not even showing strong. Now, your Walgreens, your Intel, your Fiserv, your P-Card and Loose are doing well. But, dude, it goes green. Like, there is, on the NASDAQ, like, there's 20 stocks that are really positive for the year. All right, here's the Russell, though. Okay, that's the NASDAQ 100. Russell, we've got a lot. So these are the ones that could really turn into something this year, have come out of the gate hard, right? Castlight, CSLT, up 31%. Cosmos Energy, KOS, up 25%. Big. And again, I kind of think, and a lot of people are with me, I kind of think that crude may be going to do 100. I'm going to say it here now. If it's above 76, really 77, you got to stay long. You got to stay long. That's the pivot point to me. Above 76, own them. CBR Energy at 18%. Let me get you High Peak Energy, 22%. Liberty Oilfield, that's LBRT, up 25%. Let me give you one that's not energy related. AMC, y'all know that's up 18%. AMCX. There is a biotech in here. I cannot believe I saw this. It's number 19 on the Russell list. You ready for this one? Theravance Biopharma TBPH up 17, showing phenomenal relative strength. Again, we kind of see these as continuing up, right? Especially the financial and the energy stocks. RCI Hospitality, that's Rick. That's the Rick's Cabaret. You know what I mean? RICK up 17%, 16.9 on the year. So those are a little bit. If you want to see the entire list, guys, jump in my Telegram. Look, it's mostly me just posting good charts of what to do, not financial advice. Possibly what to do, possibly what not to do. But charts and then really good Excel spreadsheets like this one here of some of these stocks are showing very good relative strength. So there you go. That's what I've got right now. Other ones you want to look at, again, is Tesla above 900, Deutsche Bank above 12. Very simple. Deutsche Bank above 12, Berkshire above that 284, which I believe it's about to hit an all-time high. Berkshire Hathaway is going to hit an all-time high. It's literally a $700 billion corporation right now. That thing could hit $1 trillion this year, and it would be fairly easy. I think it's got to get above 400 for that. Just don't fact check me, but I believe that would get it above the $1 trillion mark, or market cap mark. BMO above 997. There's the KRE. We want to be long the KRE at 68-ish. 68-ish, right? So again, banks and energy stocks, guys, are the ones that are really, really doing well. I've got a bunch too. I've got a lot more. I've got McDonald's here long at 251. SOX, the semis. I'd be long at that 28.58 level. ASML is a great semi, long above 741. Price target of 1194. Huge. TSM, that's Taiwan semi, long at 110. Micron is phenomenal, long at 97. Apple above 139, AbbVie above 125, Pfizer above 50, Google above 2,900, Facebook above 320. I've got a ton. I've gone through the charts. I've done the work. So I'm going to jump off of YouTube and I'm going to jump on back onto TikTok, and we're going to do it right. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate it. I'll post this in